Ever wondered what secrets lurk in the shadows, waiting to claim their next victim? Listen closely, for this is a tale whispered by the wind and sealed by a single chilling gunshot. Sound of heavy rain and distant thunder. The clock struck midnight. Ria Mera, a fearless journalist, sat alone, reviewing Project Eclipse, a file promising corruption and missing souls. Her phone buzzed. "Stop digging, Ria. You won't like what you find." A warning from an unknown sender, yet only 3 knew of her quest. Sound of static, then faint footsteps. A whisper, "She's next," followed by a sharp gunshot. Ignoring the threat, Ria played an audio file. Footsteps, a chilling whisper, then a gunshot. The timestamp? Tomorrow's date. Suddenly, the lights died. Her laptop glowed. "We warned you." She dialed her friend Arav, but heard only that same terrifying whisper. Sound of a sharp, sudden bang. A chill seized her. In the mirror, a figure stood behind her. Bang! The next morning, headlines screamed, "Journalist found dead, laptop missing." The report was by Arav Kapoor. Unravel this mystery with us. Subscribe, like, and share your theories on who silenced Ria. What dark secrets did Project Eclipse truly hold?